How do I treat an armpit yeast infection? An armpit yeast infection develops because of a fungus called Candida albicans and causes inflammation, burning, and itching on the sensitive underarm skin as well as a reddish rash. To treat an armpit yeast infection, you can use an over-the-counter or antifungal cream or lotion that contains an active ingredient called clotrimazole or miconazole. If this fails to work, you can ask a doctor for a prescription strength antifungal medication. In addition, you can use an antihistamine to help relieve discomfort and employ hygienic changes to hasten healing and prevent recurrences. Often, antifungal creams are used in the treatment of yeast infections on the skin. These are the same types of creams you could use if you had a yeast infection of the vagina or in the external genital area, like jock itch. Typically, these creams either contain the active ingredient clotrimazole or miconazole. If you choose to use this type of medication, you may need to apply the cream to your clean, dry underarms a couple of times per day. In most cases, however, you cannot expect immediate symptom relief as the fungus may take a week or so to resolve, depending on its severity and the strength of the medication you choose. When you want to treat an armpit yeast infection, you may feel concerned with more than just making the infection go away. Relieving the discomfort you feel may prove a top priority as well. In such a case, you might consider taking antihistamines to relieve the itching and irritation. These medications can be purchased out and are usually labeled for relieving mild to moderate allergy symptoms, including itching. Eventually, the antifungal cream you use to treat this type of infection should provide some relief from discomfort, but antihistamines can help in the meantime. You can also make some hygienic changes in an effort to treat an armpit yeast infection. This is because the fungus that causes yeast infections thrives in moist, dark areas, including the folds of the skin under your arms. To help treat